Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Capital One card to Apple Pay. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the plus or add button. Look for the plus or add button located in the upper right corner of the Wallet app and tap on it. Now, scan or enter card details. If your iPhone has a built-in FSC reader, you can align your Capital One card within the frame on this screen to automatically capture the card details. If your iPhone doesn't have an NFC reader, you can tap on Enter Card Details manually and input the card information manually. Then, verify your card. Follow the prompts to complete the card verification process. This may involve entering a one-time verification code sent by Capital One or using another verification method provided by the bank. Now, agree the terms and conditions. Review the terms and conditions provided by Capital One and agree to add your card to Apple Pay. Then, set up security. Choose the security options you prefer, such as using Face ID, Touch ID, or a device passcode to authorize transactions. Then, complete verification. Depending on your Capital One card, you may need to complete additional verification steps such as a phone call or email confirmation. Now, start using Apple Pay. After completing the setup process, your Capital One card will add to Apple Pay. You can use it for contactless payments at participating merchants by holding your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticating the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Please note that the specific steps may vary slightly depending on your iPhone model, iOS version, and the user interface of the wallet app. If you encounter any issues or have questions specific to your Capital One card or Apple Pay setup, it is recommended to contact Capital One's customer support or visit their website for further assistance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!